So this is a boat with a stringer drive in it, and we do not work on them, but it came in to have an oil change and drain the gas out of it because it's been sitting. And it's supposed to have had the trim and the tilt and everything working on it. He just paid someone to do it. Put a new motor on the tilt. I don't know if you can see the motor down there or not. That's not a new motor. Whoever did it probably should have taped those wires up so they don't hit on something, since it sends power. That motor down there is what makes the back drive go up and down to trailer it. This motor up here is what causes the motor to go up and down, so you can trim it. It moves the whole motor up and down. Right now it's in the front of the motor's up, and if we could get it to work again, we could get it so it wouldn't drag. But right now, to trailer it, turn the key to the on position. So this is the tilt. That's the motor that's in the back. You can hear it trying, but it's not moving. And here's for the trim, which makes the motor go up and down, the whole motor. That should make it go down. That should make it go up, so the up part of it's working, but it's all the way up, so it can't go any further. So it's probably that solenoid right there, we hope. And who knows on this, the motor is up underneath the back, and that's what he's supposed to have, a new motor. But the new motor, something's locked up in here and it doesn't work. But he had paid someone some good money to make it work, and it doesn't. So we're at a stopping point.